All right, thank you for joining us and welcome to our workshop today on working smarter with AI. I am Sasha Thackaberry-Voinovich. I'm the president here at Newstate University. I also have with me here Jamie Mordew, who is our CAO, and Charlotte Benkaz, who is our CMPO, Chief Marketing and Partnerships Officer. So about little over a year ago, we started building the curriculum for a brand new university. This university is what we call AI founded. So we use an AI first tech stack, but we also teach AI. AI is integrated into all of our curriculum because we believe it's going to be a critical skill, a non-optional skill moving forward. Today, we are going to be focusing on context engineering. And so I want to show a few things about what context engineering is and what it is not. We're going to start with just basic definitions. If you don't know what context engineering is, that's okay. We're going to show you what it is. And then what is the difference between context engineering, prompt engineering, knowledge engineering? We're going to go through all of that. Then we're going to talk about what are some of the core context files that you have and that you should prepare. And then we're going to go through what I would call a rapid fire setup across each of 4 models. So we're going to do this in Gemini, Claude, CoPilot, and ChatGPT, okay? So whichever flavor of those tools that you have is great, but here's how it's going to work. So you're not going to be able to fill out all of the context file templates that we have for you and do your own work along with me part at the same time. So if you are going to be using Gemini, take the time when we're doing the Claude part of the demo, the CoPilot part of the demo, yada, yada, take that time to drop some information into your context files. Now, this puts the people whose tool we're doing at the beginning at a little bit of a disadvantage. So maybe you pay attention to the demo at that part and then start dropping in content to your context files so that you can try it all on your own. The idea today is for you to actually walk away with your first 5 context files, understanding why you use them, how you use them, and be able to actually start using them by yourself or with your teams. So we also have a philosophy here of everyone is their own independent operator in the world now. So you are your own agent boss, and we're attempting to give you the tools to be really, really good at that.